been a few days without riding, but I'm back. Oh yeah, she's still cold. She's gonna be pissed off. On my way to my parents for my dad's birthday, so I figured good excuse to drop the truck off and get the bike. Yeah, I've been out of town all weekend, so I haven't been able to ride like I want, but some other cool shit going on. I'm now that I got the bike kind of where I want her, figured I'd work on the truck some more. So I'm gonna have to do a video of the truck too. I'm gonna do a walk around because it's about to get a bunch of work done to it. So I want to get like a before and after kind of video and post it up here on the tube and see what you guys think. But yeah, I think tomorrow. I kind of wanted to get it clean, but it's pretty clean for right now, so I can do a little before video and go over some of the stuff I've already done and some of the stuff I'm gonna do. And go from there. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I'm not gonna do any spoils yet until the next video. Should be going up tomorrow or the next day. God, it's been too long. I gotta say my heart was racing a little bit, kind of like when I first got it, just from not riding it for a few days, so I guess that's a good thing. Tonight, might get into the high 60s, and that is just my kind of weather. Haven't had to my jacket, my pants and all that came with I guess the windbreaker or waterproof liners and all that. I don't know if it's, pretty sure it's just for waterproof, but I'm also pretty sure it will help a lot for the wind and shit, even though I think it's for waterproofing. God, this thing just wants to go fast. So yeah, what I was saying, I'm gonna try. It's not got quite cold enough yet to where I feel the need to put all that shit in. It was kind of a bitch to take out, so. But it's gonna be getting colder, so I'll try do some riding with it and see. Hopefully it'll help out. Hopefully I don't have to buy too much other gear to stay warm, because I really plan on doing some riding this winter. the fuck is this? Alright. Huh.
Yeah, you can go. Okay.
I'll just go that way. What if I just went that way?
Yeah, that's fine. You can go that way.
Alright. Fucking 10 minutes. Fuck that. I don't know what happened, but pretty rude. I wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Fuck you. Why did this turn red? Just tell me that. Them high torque shifts, tell you that. I don't know what, if it's just because it's colder tonight, but stay in your lane. Gotta be a freaking speeder just to beat these freaking lights. It's ridiculous. I mean, you gotta break the law. That's how they plan it. windscreen keeps fogging up.